Today we are looking at a Strong Scott mixer. The capacity is approximately 2 ton. Has a rack and pinion gate discharge. This is looking inside at the ribbon. This unit could be purchased as is, or if you would like us to go through it and rebuild it, we could do that also. Looking at the drive system there, the unit comes with a 15 horsepower 3-phase motor, 220 440 volts. Again, looking down at the discharge there. The mixing chamber dimensions are 44 inches wide, 12 feet long, and 50 inches deep. You can see here looking on the tag that it is a 44 by 12. That's the size number. The ribbon speed is 22 and the serial number is 1068.